so.
I can't see. I know, Bubba. Mom is too. Wow, it's going over signs.
That's crazy.
Hey, Siri. Tater, calm down, please. I don't know where to pull over. Wow.
Pull over. Can you pull
I
over?
can't see, sweetheart.
Turn your brights on so you can see.
It makes it worse.
Come on, just see if you can see a flash or something. Okay.
Just be patient.
Okay, calm down, okay? This is crazy. Ooh, that was a big piece of hail. You need to go under a bridge if you can. Hey, there is no bridges, are there? Yeah. Look at that. Is that Charlie driver?
Hey, Siri. Hey, Siri. Call Brian on speaker. We may not make it to your house, man. We can't see it going. It's got signs down. In front of the Kingdom Hall. But it's hailing bad. It's like blowing our truck all over the road. I can't see to go find, like, whoa.
Oh, there's hail.
What is it saying? Holy crap. This hail is so big. Tater, baby, calm down, please.
Got it. Kingdom Hall?
Here. Ah, man. Here,
Look at him. Knock his lights out. See it? His tail lights out. He got knocked off.
we're in front of Martin's, like that, storage place right by our house. It was so scary, man.
Don't say was, it is. It's still going. Yeah, like,
I
it's
can
over.
definitely see a lot better right here than I could back there in front of John Van. We literally thought we were driving straight through a tornado. Everyone was at a dead standstill directly in the middle of the highway because you could not move. Alright, well, I'm like less than a mile from your place, so I'm gonna... I don't know how we're gonna make it inside, but at least we can get to a stop. It's freaking out. Alright, we'll see in a minute.
Be careful, baby.
No.
Don't do that. The hail is when it's a windshield, at any kind of speed, you'll break it. Maybe. We don't know.
That's people's roof. Look
Yep.
at that.
It's somebody's roof on the ground. We should have went to the Kingdom Hall and went under the awning. No.
We're trying to get these babies inside. I don't know, baby. Depends on how.
You might not be able to get out.
Oh, you guys coming in at our dad's house?
We can't get out.